Hello, my name's Andrew John March. I'm a Canadian embedded engineer and musician. Last year, I launched the M0SS synthesizer here on Kickstarter, and in that campaign, I stated that I would love to produce a whole family of similar devices. With the support that I received, I was able to add synth designer Lucas Henry to the team, and I'm beyond excited to announce to you today that together, we have created not one, not two, but 3 new members of the M0SS family of instruments. First, meet the M0SS, a West Coast style monosynth. And here's the M0SS, a dual oscillator 9-voice stereo polysynth. And finally, M0SS, a 16-voice DX7-inspired FM synth. The M0SS is a truly eccentric and playful tool for creative synthesis, which takes some inspiration from the iconic Buchla easel. It features a complex oscillator with 3 modulation modes, a wave folder, a low-pass gate, a mixer, a pitch quantizer with 12 modes, a looping envelope, a delay unit, a generative sequencer which we call a stochastic generator, and this detailed modulation matrix mapping the 3 modulation sources to any of these 12 destinations. The M0SS is a hybrid of some popular polysynths from the 70s and 80s, designed to produce swirling vintage pads and soaring leads, but still capable of a great many sounds. It features 2 oscillators per voice with controls for hard sync, detune, and key tracking, a mixer with a noise generator, 2 envelope generators, an LFO with 3 waveforms, a resonant low-pass filter, and this modulation matrix to design the patch, including some FM options. The M0SS gives you the incredible power of a 6-operator FM synth, with a physical interface for every parameter, allowing power users to design and modify sounds in real time without any menu diving. There are global controls for the patch and for the LFO, and then controls for each of up to 6 operators based on one of 32 algorithms. For all 3 of these synths, you can save and load presets, use MIDI Learn to map MIDI CCs to any parameter, and we have a method to update the firmware for any future improvements. All 3 have jacks for 9-volt power, 1/8" MIDI in and through, 1/4" audio output, and USB MIDI host input, which will also power any connected MIDI controller. So let's play around a little and see what we can do with this little family of instruments. First, on the M0SS, the stochastic generator has produced this sequence through the quantizer. Enter M0SS, driven by an arpeggiator to produce this evocative swirling dimensionality. Now, M0SS. I'll pick this classic string preset, but let's modify the tune factor for the first operator and produce a tone that is now our own. The development process for these 3 synthesizers is currently about 80% complete. As you can see, they're working well, and there remains work to do. Please consider supporting Lucas and myself in seeing this project to completion, to continue to innovate and expand the M0SS family. Thank you so very much for watching. All the best to you.